In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Zillow map by price on desktop. Let's start right on your computer. Open your browser, go to Zillow.com, and type a location into the search bar. This could be a city, a neighborhood, or a zip code. As soon as you press enter, Zillow will load a map of that area along with a list of matching homes on the side. Give it a moment to populate. You'll see pins on the map and property cards in the list. Now look just above the map for the Search Filters toolbar. This is where you can narrow things down. Click either the Filters button or the Price option, depending on what you see. Both will take you to the price controls. In the Price filter, you'll enter your minimum and maximum price. The minimum is optional. If you leave it blank, Zillow will show everything up to your maximum. The maximum is your budget cap, so type the highest amount you're comfortable with. If there are preset amounts, you can use those or simply click into the boxes and type your own numbers. Take a second to double-check that the currency and digits look right. Once your price range is set, click Apply or Done. Zillow names this button differently in some views, but it will be one of those. After you confirm, watch the map pins and the list refresh. You'll now only see properties that fall within the price range you chose, making it much easier to focus on homes that fit your budget. As you keep exploring, remember that the price filter stays in place while you move around the map. Zooming in or out, or even drawing a custom boundary, only changes the area you're looking at. It doesn't remove your price range, so everything you see will still respect that limit. This is helpful if you want to scan a broader area first and then hone in without re-entering your budget. You can sharpen your results even further by combining price with other filters. Open filters and look under. More to adjust things like beds, baths, home type, and additional features. Each change will update the results while keeping your price in mind. Finally, if you want to see the most affordable options first, switch to the list view and use the sort menu to choose price, low to high. That way the cheapest matching listings will appear at the top, which can save you time when comparing. That's it. Set your price, apply, and browse confidently within your budget. Thanks for watching, and happy home hunting.